What's up, y'all? I'm Jay Wayne, you know, representing Team Take Profits, and welcome to Take Profit Tuesday, where I show you, some profits that I made throughout the week, and just give you a little bit of training real quick. But real quick, before we get into the video, I just wanted to give a shout out to our winner for our YouTube Trade Signal giveaway, which is Emilio Radibi. I'm gonna put your name down right here, so you can see it. I don't know if I pronounced the last name right, but Emilio Radibi, I'm gonna add you to my group, and we're gonna make some money together. As you know, I trade London sessions, so you gotta be woke, but I'm gonna add you to the group, all right? And we'll make this money. You already know. And if you guys want to be take part of the giveaway and become a winner possibly, then all you got to do is just head over to my Facebook page, Jay Wayne, and just leave a comment on my Facebook wall how my channel impacted you, whether you made money off the strategies, whether you learned something, you know, anything real quick. Just give a shout out to me. You know, you help me, I help you. You know how it go. So I love y'all. But real quick, this video, I just did a live trading, live Forex trading session with the Harmonic scanner with my team. And it scans the market using Fibonacci ratios, okay? And it finds high probable trade setups. And then all we have to do is just use our common sense, use our knowledge that we gain from, Forex, the basic market structure, and using Fibonacci's to see, how we're gonna take the trade. You know what I'm saying? So basically, I just wanted to show you how we're doing this. And every trade that I take this week is gonna be off the Harmonic scanner, just to show you guys the power of it. So with no further ado, here's the video. Hope you enjoy, guys. It is called currency strength indicator, and you want the scalping one. Now you want the currency strength CSA 5-step scalp.
This one here?
Yeah. Start or something. And the other one is for longer time frames.
Okay.
But yeah, click on that scalp one, and then click on the settings. And then you want to do GA.
So unclick the rest of
everything else you uncheck. All right, so remember which color is which. So GA is like the odd is the pink one. So
okay.
Make the line a little bit thicker maybe so we can see it. All right, and then so now you want to you want to look at the 50% line. So you want to see which one is breaking above the 50%, which one is going below the 50%.
It look like GBP is breaking up.
Yeah, that's what you well, you want to see GBP going down. You want to see, because we're looking at it for a sell, right? We're looking for a Great Britain pound off for a sell, right?
Yeah.
So you want to see, you really want to see the alt going up, correct?
Yeah, because they all need to gain strength.
Yep. So we need to see the alt gaining strength. But here's the thing. So this will keep you out of a trade. The currency heat wave app will keep you out of a bad trade because the alt is at a 3.29.
How do you see where the alt is at?
The alt is the pink line, but I'm talking about the app, the actual app. I'm
okay, that's what I was wondering. Yeah, okay.
If you pull that up, and you got the euro at a 7, and you got the alt at a 3. You see what I'm saying? So the euro alt and the GBP alt both gaining more strength than the alt. So that'll keep you, when you see that'll keep you from not pulling the trigger too early.
Gotcha.
Yeah. So let me see. So now when I go to the charts, you see a big green candle on a 15-minute popping up. It ain't really that big, but you see it coming up. So
Okay.
yeah, so I mean it broke the parabolic SAR on the 15-minute, but it ain't it's far away from the dot on the 30. So remember that go against my 30-minute crossover rules anyway.
Mm-hmm.
So it's just like patience. So you see how you got GBP all going up
Yeah.
above that 50.
Yeah.
So you gotta, if you're looking for a sell, you gotta be like, well, it might be a sell, but it ain't ready yet.
Gotcha. That makes sense. What I was struggling with was when it hit my trigger line. I'm thinking it need to hit my trigger line like right when it's time to hop in that thing. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Well, go ahead and make those candles bigger.
And shit.
All right. So put the little crosshairs on the trigger line part. It was back, remember, when they hit the trigger line back there?
Right here.
No, you was talking about the one back there, wasn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right here.
So when it came down and hit the trigger line,
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it was already in the sale, so you could. It was already dropping previously, so it pulled back, then it started wicking out up there, and you saw it hit your trigger line. You saw the GBP all going down on the currency strength, strength indicator down there. So
Oh,
you could
yeah.
sell right there.
Gotcha.
But it wasn't that deep though. So, you know what I'm saying? You got to use price action and say, okay, it ain't going down no more. So just take profit because you would have got in at the top up there when they hit your trigger line, remember?
Yeah.
Um, so then, or you could say, okay, it hit your trigger line, but it ain't looking like it's enough volume in the market yet. So that's where you use the app though, because the app will tell you what the strength of the meter is, like 5.7, whatever.
Mm-hmm.
So when you saw it crossing the trigger line back there, where it was wicking out, but you saw on the app it wasn't that much volume because the app would have told you that.
Okay.
Then you could be like, okay, I'm gonna wait. If you got a zone that you're trying for it to break through, you could say I'm gonna wait or whatever.
Gotcha.
So then you waited, and then you would have stayed out of that little drop. That really wasn't nothing. So now you got it. Now you got it coming back up, retesting your trend line, right?
Yeah.
All right. So now, what's the thought process? Like the thought process is it's a double top. What is looking like on the 4-hour though? Let me see. Let me. On the 4-hour, you pull out a trend line. Go ahead and pull out a trend line. From the top wick. Or do it on the bodies though. Do it on the bodies. Yeah. So now you got it. Yeah, perfect. So you got it on the 4-hour, saying okay, it's coming back. It's in a downtrend on the 4-hour,
Mm-hmm.
and it got an ABCD pattern, right? Remember the ABCD patterns I was showing you?
A to B.
So you got A, start from the top. You got A, B, C, on down. Now you do it again. A, B, and C is forming right now.
Gotcha.
And so now you already know how we play this game. So we like, okay, you wanna see it go back down to your resting zone.
On
It, it
30
may
minute
it
or the
may
four.
it may go down on the resting zone right where it's at on the RSI, or it may come up to the trend line, which may trigger it at the 80.
Gotcha. Gotcha.
So you got to be ready either way, though. So now,
Okay.
now that we got it marked up like this and we see it, now we start work going on the lower time frame now.
Okay.
Now we can go back down to the 30 because we did top down analysis. We started at the higher time frame and worked our way down. So
Gotcha.
now you got the 30-minute crossover. You can count on those things to help you get a better entry on this.
Okay.
Yeah, and you got see that odd is at a 2.57, bro. That junk steady getting weak, man. So yeah, man. I don't know what time you think that boy gonna be ready. If it is, see, that's the thing though. We can't be having our heart set on a sale and that boy constantly going up on us,
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we don't want that. Let me stop sharing though. So you good with this though? So you got the setup, bro.
Yeah, I'm good with it.
Yep. So you don't even so you good if you just focusing on GBP this on Euro all, it looks the same exact way. It's the same exact setup on Euro all. If you go to the 4 hour, you will see it. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Double top on the 30-minute. It's crazy.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Same exact thing, bro.
Gotcha. Okay. You want to share now?
Huh?
I said you want to share your screen?
Yeah, yeah.
All right.
But if you go to the Euro all and look at it, then you got to switch your CSA scalping tool.
Yeah. Yeah. What you got going on later today?
Later today, no, today is Tuesday, so you already
Oh, you
know
know
Tuesday,
that.
Wednesday, Thursday is grind mode. So I'm gonna be doing some marketing, stuff, taking some photos, trying to get the J Wayne brand popping, and what else? What else? Oh yeah, I gotta record the Harmonic scanner video. Put that on YouTube today.
Okay.
Yeah, that's about it though.
Is there any videos on the what do you call it? The heat thing? The heat
The
app?
currency, the currency heat wave.
Yeah.
Oh, I mean, it's stuff out there, but I mean, I was gonna go in real detail about it. I ain't made no video yet. But I mean, the people that made it, the company that made it, they got like a little video, but it ain't really that much in detail on how to use it in like like in the practical world, like how to implement it on the charts. Like it's
Yeah.
not like that in real time, no. But that's what I was gonna do. But I haven't got it. I got like probably 3 videos in the queue before that one.
Okay.
Yeah. But yeah, you got the app downloaded already?
Yeah, I got the app downloaded on my phone. I just don't know how to use it or nothing.
Yeah, you pull it up. Go to the home screen. GBP odd. You wanna let me know when you're there.
All right.
GBP odd.
Hold on 1 second, bro. Right back.
I like to throw on that EMA, exponential moving average. I want that boy to be at the 8. Yeah, I think that boy gonna hit somewhere on this trend line and drop.
It's the GA.
Yeah. Go to the Harmonic scanner. Harmonic scanner. All my trades coming off of that this week. Yep. Let's see, we got GA. Let's see how many pips we looking at catching. Usually on a harmonic scanner, I'm looking at TP1 and or to the middle Bollinger Band, and I'm done. I'm done. And you want to see if the wings is deep in the fans. I ain't really trying to give away everything right now, but yeah. So I just go to that harmonic scanner though and see what's popping. See what trades they calling out, because they calling out good trade setups. They just not ready yet. So I'm gonna teach the strategy on how to find out when it's ready. But these are good trades, and sometimes you can obviously it'll call a sell out, but you be like, hey, when you go to the actual chart, you like, hey, that's a buy though, because you can see it clear. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
And you be like, okay, I'm gonna take the buy on that. Like they're using a harmonic scanner is just a tool. You know, that ain't the end all be all. But can you see it when I flip back and forth?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
I got half my screen, half of yours.
Yeah. So man, I just wanna let's see which other ones they talking about. Because I try to go through all the different scans and see what's the best trade for today. Because I only got 2 trades for the day. You feel me?
Mm-hmm.
I only got two bullets, and I can't waste them. I can't waste my 2 bullets on any trade, bro. I'm a straight sniper. So this one is lining up perfectly. That NZD USD, because I'm looking for it to close outside of this little Bollinger Band. If it closes outside of the Bollinger Band right at the entry point, and the next one is the red one closing on the inside, I'm taking the sell on that.
You watch that on the 15?
Yeah, that only traded really on the 15. I look for because I'm looking for quick setups. You already know, like I'm taking a risk management lot size. I'm taking a 10 cent lot size, and when I see that boy dropping, I go down to that 5 minutes, see it breaking levels, see it making lower lows and different things.
Mm-hmm.
Then in lower highs, then I'm taking a bigger lot size out. So I just look at that. It already hit the entry. You see it?
Yeah.
So now I'm finna go to my strength indicator on the currency heat wave, and I'm gonna say, okay, NZD USD. Okay, so NZD USD. So the NZD is at a 6.57. That's why you see it going up. The USD is at a 3.71. So if I need this to drop, I need the USD to get into like the 6s and the 7s. You feel me?
Okay.
Because the USD is weak. That's why the NZD is going up. So I need that. I'm waiting for that US dollar to gain some strength. And once it start gaining strength at the right time, everything has to line up at the right time. Then I'll take the sell. But right now, the U.S. dollar has to be weak though for this to play out, because we needed to get up there to our entry. So you see how it closed outside of the Bollinger Band,
Yeah.
right? Right up in here, it closed right outside of the Bollinger Band. Everything right at the entry point.
Right at the entry.
So now I'm waiting for this red candle to close inside. But even if it closed inside, but on the currency heat wave app, the USD is still weak, I'm not gonna fall for it, because
Gotcha.
it can close inside of the bands and still go up because the US dollar is so weak. So it's like in a sense I'm using the currency heat wave app to tell me, oh, you can stay in the trade a little bit longer, or don't get in the trade yet because that currency is weak still. You know,
Yeah,
so
see.
so that's how I'm gauging it at like the currency heat wave comes in at the very last second of me pulling the trigger or not. I don't base my trading around it. I don't nothing. Like, I'm using technical analysis, I'm using price action, I'm using market structure, you know what I'm saying? And then at the very last second, I'm using these indicators just to give me a little edge, that's all. And you already know the secret weapon on the MT4, you know what I'm saying? Those arrows, you see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So everybody, no, can't nobody get that though. That's for the loyal team. That's for the ones that's grinding. Like, because I'm telling you, man, I give you that indicator, you gonna base your whole training around that indicator. I see that arrow pop up, I'm taking it. Like, no, I ain't giving that really to nobody until they like show they grinding. So then I go over there to the MT4 and I see. Did you download that indicator though?
Which one?
The one I gave you that emailed you?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. So on the 30, you ain't on the 30, but see, here's the thing, on the 30, I see it it's at a pivot point. It's at a weekly pivot point on the 30-minute. So I'm thinking that boy gonna bounce down from that pivot point though.
Okay.
Yeah, it's at a weekly pivot point on the 30-minute. And haven't got that indication yet that is really ready to drop yet. But all right, so the US dollar gaining some strength now, but the NZD USD on his Harmonic scanner. So if this NZD, even though the US dollar is gaining strength, but the NZD is stronger, I'm not gonna take it yet.
Still don't mess with it?
Nope, I'm not gonna take it yet, because even though the US dollar is at like a 4, is that, getting stronger, the NZD still at like close to a 7. It's close to a 7. So, because I don't want to get into no hit sell when this boy close inside and then it shoot back up, that junk's stupid, bro. So, because it's really no rush, man. It's always a trade. Like, I made money yesterday, so I'm saying, like, and I didn't even have to rush it. I didn't even have to force it. It's like, when this trade is about to pop off, like everything is lining up. So if things ain't lining up, if things are struggling, if you trying to force your confirmations to happen, it ain't even worth it. You feel me?
Yeah.
Like, it ain't even worth it. Like, because you have been getting into a trade today, but then and lose your money or lose some of it, and then come Wednesday, you get the trade that you really wanted. But you just got to play catch up from yesterday, So, I mean, but your risk to reward should always keep you safe though anyway, right?
Yeah.
You know, so even if I wouldn't even take this trade right now because it ain't closed inside of the Bollinger Band. But if I did, I'm going in with a risk management lot size anyway on my first trade.
Gotcha.
And as I see it breaking levels, as I see it breaking structure, that's only then I'm gonna take out the bigger lot size anyway. So it ain't really gonna kill me in anyways, but yeah. So if we really trading the harmonic scanner, see, I'm gonna do a video on the harmonic scanner. I'm gonna show people that don't know market structure, that don't know their technical analysis and everything, or price action. The ones that don't know that, I'm gonna train them and show them how to use the harmonic scanner just for itself. But I encourage people to know price action.
Yeah.
Because if you can combine the harmonic scanner, what it's doing, and see that, hey, you know, this is the high, and long as this don't break out of this high, we good. You see what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. Even though this is the 15-minute, we want to see what the 1 hour is doing on this NZD USD. You know what I'm saying? Like, we shouldn't just be sitting here on this 15-minute and not knowing what the 4 hour and the hour is doing on this harmonic scanner. So I'm gonna do a video on that and take my time with that, and that'll be that. Move on to the next thing. So that's what we're looking at for this. We'll come back to that, and then what's the next one? Is that the only scan? Oh, computer running slow. All right, so this one took profit already. This one done. The butterfly, the all cat.
What is that?
The all cat right here.
Oh, okay, I see it.
Yeah, that boy. Yeah. So that's done. That one. GBP USD. That's for a buy, I think. I caught the buy yesterday. I called it out. Everybody was asleep in the group though. So caught the buy, and then now it's consolidating. But I'm still expecting it to go up. Long as it don't break the low. If it don't break the low, it ain't got no choice but to go back up. Here it is right here. So this the buy I caught. Remember yesterday I screenshot it.
Mm-hmm.
So I was like, hey, this is simple. Like here's the floor. Boom, it made sense on the 4 hour. And I was like, man, this consolidation. The bands was squeezing. I was like, I'm taking the buy. This is easy. That was easy yesterday. So that's what you see. So yeah, you want them easy setups, man. You want them setups like clear as day. Okay. And I caught it on up. And then now we just waiting for it to continue up, or it's gonna break down. So, but I'm not in that anymore because it's just consolidating. I don't want to sit in that. I don't really like the sharks though, to be honest with you, because the sharks got double entry points. Mm-hmm. And it can fake like it's going down or going up into the buy or the sell, but then it'll pull back and touch the second entry point. So usually with the sharks, they want to you should be patient wait for both entries, and that boy right here hit take profit. The GBP NZD. Yeah, that boy was nasty, wasn't it? Oof. That's probably 200 something pips right there.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Bro, I'm telling you, bro. Oh, man. Sit here, bro. Man, iMarket's Live Harmonic Scanner, bro. It's good. It's really good, man. You just got to work it. Like, we shouldn't take none of these it is as it is for it is. Like Like, okay, it's a sell. Okay, let me put these numbers in. No, I'm just looking at it like, okay, it's spotting a high reversal pattern, because that's all they do is scan for the D. And remember, we take the D on down, remember?
Yeah.
So it's scanning for high quality setups. And now we just got to work it. Like, we already skilled. Like, we already know how to find our own trades. Like, you already spotted GBP all before I even brought up the Harmonic scanner. So, you know what I'm saying? Like, we already know how to spot our own trades, but the Harmonic scanner just take that heavy lifting off of us. You know, like, if you don't feel like finding a trade or you busy, you can just go to the scanner. And then once the scanner tell you what's the setup, then you can just go to TradingView and do the rest. You know? So the scanner, the GBP alt already hit take profit 1. It's definitely, I think that boy definitely going to 3.
Think so?
Yeah, that boy definitely going to 3. I'm already in profit on it. GBP, you got the GBP getting weak. So now that's what I'm saying. So you got the GBP went down to a 4. That boy was all the way up to a 7. Now it's at a 4, and you got the all coming up to a 4. So they about even right now on the currency heat wave. So now the all is more stronger than the GBP pound right now. So now it's playing into our favor. Now it's like, you gonna pull the trigger or you're not. You know what I'm saying? So
you hopped in already?
Yeah.
Still at that zone.
Yeah, I did get in on it. GBP alt. I took a 10 cent lot size. I'm up 28 cent. And as soon as I see it breaking some levels, like pretty much where your level is set, when I see mines break that level, I'm taking the bigger, the $5 lot size.
Okay.
Pretty much when I see it, pretty much right at the level that you got set. Yeah. So that's it, bro. Like, we got the trades for today. Pretty much, it look like the GBP alt is the hitter, and the Euro alt is the hitters for the day. So once I figure that out, bro, and look, Euro alt, that's still playing around. Cause look, here's the thing, bro. So now look, remember when I said GBP alt and Euro alt looks the same?
Yep.
Guess what? The Euro alt stayed at a 7.29 when the GBP is at a 2.57. So you got to figure, when both of them look the same and you like which one is going to take off, you don't want to be in the currency pair that doesn't take off, like that doesn't get weak for the sell.
Right.
Am I making sense or not really?
Yeah, I just gotta get a better understanding of the heat wave. That's the only thing.
Yeah. Yep. So I took out that $5 lot size.
I'm already four pips in profit.
Yeah. So now the GBP alt is at a 2.29, and I mean the GBP is at a 2.29. The alt is at a 4.2, 4.3 or whatever. And so the alt is getting stronger, and you can see it dropping.
Oh yeah, big time.
So, but the euro is still at a 7. So then you ditch the euro, and you ditch the euro alt, and you trade the GBP alt. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So that's how I play that. That's how I play that. And so now we in our trades, bro. We good to go. We got our setups. Now we take our trading hats off and we put on our money management hats, and we manage the trade. You feel me?
Gotcha.
Yep. So that's all we need to do, bro. We don't need to sit and watch it, bro. You just put your stop losses in,
Let it do it.
trades, and hey man, we can lay our heads down, bro. Let the money rack up. Yeah. So we in the money.
We're moving. Oh
yeah, bro. Patience, bro. I only got 2 bullets. Bro. Now look. Hey, look, did your arrow pop up on the 30 on the indicator I gave you? And that boy popped up right now.
Pull it up. You gotta pull it up.
That boy just popped up, letting me know, hey, we got to sell. We got a sale. We got a sale on our hands. You see what I'm saying? So now, once I saw that boy popped up on the 30, guess what? I didn't wait for it. You feel me? But now that it popped up, I'm gonna use it to my advantage. I'm gonna say that gives me my edge. That say, okay, I'm gonna stay in the trade a little longer. I'm gonna stay in the trade because the only time them arrows pop up is when you got momentum.
Gotcha.
So now I'm gonna say, okay, I got momentum on my side. So now I'm good to stay in this trade a little longer.
That's dope.
So that's what we do, man. So, hey, bro, I'm going to get off, man. Ain't no need to sit up here and watch it, all day long. We got everything set. We got in. We walked through it. Just go ahead and manage your trade, bro.
Okay. Cool. Appreciate it, bro.
Oh, yeah, he said good job, fellas.
Yeah.
I wanted to make sure he good before I get off. Well, hey, you can message me in the group. It don't matter. But, all right, y'all, I'm going to get out of here, man. Let's make this money, baby. All right, guys. So, hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. Give a thumbs up, guys. Give a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Give a thumbs up if you gained some kind of value from it. I know you guys might not be a part of iMarkets Live or anything, but it just goes to show you that the product is powerful. You just add it to what you already know, and it just takes the heavy lifting off of you, finding the trades, and basically give you the direction, and then you just take it from there. So I just wanted to just shoot this video out for you. I got another video out coming when I went to Florida, and I did a little bit of training at our Team Take Profits mansion. So out there in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. So be looking out for that vlog. Hey, so many videos coming for you guys. I thank you guys because we're growing. It's a lot of negativity in the comments, but hey, the positivity gonna overflow it. So give a lot of positive comments. Help people out in the comment section, guys, because guys, my vision is for us to be the most powerful, most strongest trading Forex YouTube family out there. All right, so we got to make that happen, man. So share the video. Master this stuff, guys. I got your back. All right, and if you want to join the team Take Profits, how to join is in the description. If you want to email me, it's in the description. You already know I reply to all emails because I love y'all. All right, so hey, don't forget to like this video, comment on the video if this video was informative, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And let's make this money, baby. Peace.